Alright guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video, we are going to solve the problem Insertion Sort Part 2. In Insertion Sort Part 1, you inserted one element into an array at its correct sorted position. Using the same approach repeatedly, can you sort an entire array? You already can place an element into a sorted array. How can you use that code to build up a sorted array one element at a time? Note that in the first step, when you consider an array with just the first element, it is already sorted since there is nothing to compare to. So if we consider this as an array, if we consider only one element means it is already sorted. That statement is explained here. In this challenge, print the array after each insertion of the insertion sort. That is, whenever the next element has been inserted at its correct position. Since the array composed of just the first element is already sorted, begin printing after placing the second element. So if you didn't see the video of insertion sort part 1, click the link in the top right corner so you can see the video and understand the logic completely. We are going to use the same logic here, but the thing is we are going to use the logic repeatedly for each elements. So for each insertion, we will be printing the entire array. We will take this as an example. So this is the initial array. For 4, it is already in the correct position, so we will print it normally. For 7, it is also in correct position, so we will print normally. For 5, it is not in the correct position, so we will shift this 5 here and print it like this. So 3, 4, 5, 7 are in the sorted position. And for 6, it is not in the correct position, so we will place it in the correct position using the logic. And now these 5 elements are in sorted order. Now for 2, we need to insert it at the beginning. So all the elements will be shifted to the right and these are the elements are in the sorted order. Finally 1, again we need to push at the front of the list. So all the elements will be in the sorted order. So that's the whole logic of this problem. Now let's see the constraints. Here the constraints are very easy because this is like a tutorial problem. So we don't need to worry about the constraints. Again, the same example is listed below. So we will just skip this example and go to the code. Now we have the number of elements and the array elements. We are going to use the same code as before, but we are going to use it repeatedly. For that, I'm going to use a for loop for j in range of 1, n because the 0th index is already sorted. That's why I left 0 and starting from 1. Now we are going to just using the same code like we did before. Now key equals array of j. So this array of j will be considered as an unsorted element. Now we need to initialize the index I equals j. Now in the while loop, I greater than 0 and array of I minus 1 is greater than key. If the condition satisfies, so inside the loop, we will just replace the previous index value to the current index. That will be array of I equals array of I minus 1. So in this example, for this element 5, so we will be just replacing 7 on that particular position and insert the key value to the corresponding position. So after replacing the element, we need to decrement the index of I minus equals 1. Now, when the while loop breaks, we need to insert the key element to the corresponding index. That will be array of I equals key. So this will insert the element to the corresponding position. After inserting the element, we need to print the array. So print asterisk of array. This will print all the array elements with a space separated integer value like this. So that concludes our whole logic of this problem. So we are just using the same logic as we did in the previous problem. Only thing is we are just using it in a repeated manner. So if you have any other logic for this insertion sort, because there are multiple ways, please leave a comment below. It will be very helpful. Let's run the code now. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it guys. We solved the problem. If you like this video, hit the like button And don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. See you guys in the next video.